Enjoy versatile cooking power with the 1200-watt, space-saving 1.2 cubic foot Panasonic Compact Microwave Oven, perfect for any kitchen or dorm room. Its sleek design includes a smart touch control panel to make it easy to cook a variety of foods. Plus reheat and defrost for the taste, texture, and nutrients you want. Unlike traditional microwave ovens that use pulse-on, pulse-off power to cook foods, Panasonic's Inverter Technology creates a seamless, continuous stream of cooking power to evenly heat and prepare foods, with no cold spots. The high-power Panasonic countertop microwave also includes Genius Sensor Cook and Reheat to take the guesswork out of heating meals, leftovers, and snacks, plus 15 auto-cook options to effortlessly prepare foods like oatmeal, omelettes, and more. The 3-level popcorn button lets you choose the popping temperature and time for different bag capacities, and a useful keep warm setting keeps gravies, vegetables, dinner rolls, and more warm for up to 30 minutes until ready to serve. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The Inverter Advantage. Unlike microwaves that use a pulse-on, pulse-off power flow to prepare foods, Inverter Technology evenly heats foods, with no cold spots, at all 11 power levels from the lowest to the highest. Number 2. Microwave cooking made easy. 1200-watt black microwave with 11 power levels, smart controls, 3-level popcorn button, and more for easy cooking of dinner and snacks. Number 3. Even cooking and reheating for delicious food. Panasonic's patented inverter technology generates seamless steam of cooking power for evenly heated foods. Edges to the center. Number 4. Smarter cooking. Genius Sensor takes the guesswork out of cooking but automatically adjusts power and cooking time. Includes 10 sensor cook settings. Sensor reheat warms leftovers evenly. Number 5. More features to enjoy. Inverter Turbo Defrost accelerates thawing time, 15 auto cook options, keep warm, and more. Number 6. Space-saving design. Countertop microwave with 1.2 cubic feet. Easy clean interior, houses 13.4 inches turntable but maintains a small external footprint to maximize counter space. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How long is the power cord? Answer: about 4 feet. Question number 2. Does the power cord extend protrude from the back of the microwave beyond the 15.8 inches of depth? Answer: yes. The cord goes straight out the top right back corner. There are plastic spacers that keep the unit about 2 inches from the back wall so the cord has clearance. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.